Guys, whip of the day. Is this my Uber?
Hello, sir.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. Basically gonna hit another car meet, but I guess this one's actually good.
This one's cracking.
Which one are we going to again?
Origins.
We're going to this Origins car meet. We got an SRT right here. Bro, one thing about Southgate is that there's always someone trying to race you here.
Oh yeah.
Guys, we're already here and it's just too packed. We can't even get in. Hey bro, you were at the beach, huh? Last time? I recognize you, bro. What's up, man?
Bro? We outside.
Dude, it's just too packed. We got a Supra over here. We got a 350Z. We got a DTR over there. We got a Mustang, bro. We got the Nissan right here. Two Supras
On a tire?
But you're in a Mustang. You're supposed to hit the crowd.
I don't know if my insurance covers all that many people.
Damn, guys, check out that. Guys, not only that, we have the Target cards. Look, there's a lot of Chargers here. We got a full pink car over here. We got the GT500 right there. Guys, look how packed it is. Alright, man, I'm not gonna lie, this meet is better than the other one.
It was worth the 20-minute drive through the parking lot.
No matter where you turn, you're gonna see cars. This guy literally wanted me to get out the car and go fucking save a fucking parking for him, bro. Literally, there's one over here, there's one over there. We got fucking Supra over here, Supra over there, Supra. Hey, the color on this is pretty nice. My boy spotted one of his favorite YouTubers. Apparently this Fresh Kicks, Funny and Nick, and then I don't know who that is. Look, bro, this could have been you right here.
I was wanting one, not gonna lie.
Got another Mustang over here. Jesus, guys, look at this thing. I think it's a Roush. Yep, it is the Roush. This thing is just so clean. Guys, look at these fucking Mustangs. There's no way a fucking whole ass supercharger. Pro Charger, actually.
She's not having it.
Guys, look at the freaking line. It's literally all the way over there. Cars after cars after cars. Oh, okay. So when we came in, we were trying to get through here, and it was all full. We didn't get parking until like we went all the way around. Guys, look at this thing real quick. This thing is menacing. Not black. A whole ass Viper over here. That's crazy. Menacing this thing is. I don't even know where to put the camera at. I'm like all over the place.
Like everywhere I turn, there's something.
We saw this car at the last meet, as well as this one. There's a shitload of Supras here. I'm not sure it's gonna end enough for that one. I need to stay. Let's fuck him up. Let's take that don't know where to go. It's just cars everywhere and it's so crowded. Guys, literally cops everywhere and there's a helicopter on us. That's crazy. This was like the shortest but the most latest car meet. So I don't really think I need a explanation to why the meet was so short. We're gonna take off already just because we don't want to get blocked in, you know. The cops are already like slowly going inside the parking lots. Guys, look at this.
We're about to head out right now. There's cops are just kicking everybody else out at this point. Oh, dude, the taillights on those Porsches so sick.
Alright guys, that's basically all the video. The meet ended up so quick just because everybody was revving the car and doing burnouts. But hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those things. Till next time.